We have a good community here. It's a great place to raise a family.
I really feel like there's a strong sense of pride in the district.
This school district in 2018 was selected by the National Department of Education as a Blue Ribbon School.
We have had such good academics and received all these awards, and I feel like it's despite the building.
That's why we're proposing a 3-question referendum on February 9th. Question 1 asks voters to consider building a new, smaller pre-K to 12 school, 6,000 square feet smaller than the one proposed in November, to meet Minnesota Department of Education guidelines. Question 2 asks voters to consider including a 3rd dedicated gym along with a wrestling room. And question 3 allows the community to decide whether to include decommissioning and demolition of the old school in this bond referendum funding.
My husband graduated from this building in 1955, and I don't think it has had many improvements since then.
My son had a severe football injury, and he was on crutches for 3 months with no elevator in the building. The teachers had to go down to first floor to hold his classes.
We've got a boiler that's so old-fashioned, there's only a few people that even know how to work on it.
I know sometimes the roof will leak at some of the stairwells, and it's just irritating.
We've put our time in and looked at the remodel of this building and what it would cost, and it's come to the conclusion that it's kind of a no-brainer to build rather than remodel.
Farmers are hurting, markets aren't the greatest, but it's the time now because this is the cheapest we're ever going to get the school.
If all 3 questions pass, homeowners will pay $6 a year on a $75,000 home. If all 3 questions are approved, agricultural landowners with homestead property valued at $6,000 per acre will pay an additional $1.79 per acre per year.
Our needs are not going away. We know that.
Remember to vote on or before Tuesday, February 9th.